In this video, we're going to talk about career cushioning. What is career cushioning? Why should you care? And should you participate? I usually share productivity ideas on my channel, but I recently read about this concept of career cushioning for the first time a few days ago. And after doing a little bit of research about it, thought this was an interesting and potentially valuable idea to talk about. I'm Sara Stilleke. I'm a scientist, and my channel is all about leveling up to your peak performance. First off, what exactly is career cushioning? In general, cushioning means to protect something or someone from the harmful effects of something. We may be hearing rumors or just have a bad gut feeling that something's about to happen, so we take actions ahead of time to cushion ourselves from potential future repercussions. In the case of career cushioning, professionals everywhere have been inundated with news of mass layoffs, hiring freezes, record high inflation, and an impending recession. All of these things can cause us to take a look at our own professional situations and think, what if I'm next? The answer? Career cushioning. This term refers to taking steps to lessen the blow of a potential job loss. Maybe you start updating your resume, or attend a few networking events, or just start browsing LinkedIn to get familiar with the current job openings in your area. You may not be actively looking for a new career opportunity just yet, but you want to be prepared in case something happens and you suddenly lose the stability of your current work situation. The acts associated with career cushioning can provide some tangible as well as psychological benefits. On a tangible level, you can start to get ahead on a potential job search and begin practicing your networking and interviewing skills even before they become necessary. From a psychological standpoint, career cushioning can help us regain a sense of security and control. Like, I see all these bad things happening in my current industry, but I'm ready for it. I have a plan B. Although I only started reading about career cushioning recently, I think it can actually be a really healthy thing to do. Obviously, don't start looking for new job opportunities while you're currently working on your current job responsibilities. But some of the benefits of career cushioning are actually things that we can benefit from all the time. Here are just two examples of what you can do to create your plan B, and why they are a good idea all the time and not just when you're feeling nervous about your career. The first thing you can do is focus on expanding your current skill set. It can be easy to fall into a routine in our jobs, but by continuously learning new things and pushing yourself, you'll be better prepared for both a new career while also becoming more valuable in your current role. You may also pick up a new skill or hobby that could lead to a future business opportunity, or just a new source of personal enrichment. There are tons of free and low-cost resources for learning new skills, from public speaking to technical knowledge to product management, to more soft skills like conflict resolution and personal organization. The second thing you can do is focus on your networking and practicing your interviewing skills. Many new career opportunities come from word of mouth and our personal networks, as opposed to responding to job postings. By getting out there and meeting new groups of people, both in person and virtually through LinkedIn, you have a chance to practice your professional speaking skills and meet other like-minded individuals in your field. As an added bonus, even if you are not currently looking for a new career, you have the opportunity to make new friends and learn new perspectives from people who you might not have met otherwise. If you're listening to this and thinking, maybe these are things I want to try doing as part of my professional career development anyway, I totally agree. Career cushioning may become the next buzzword like the Great Resignation and quiet quitting, but I think that the main ideas behind career cushioning are actually really quite healthy, and these habits can benefit every professional as we seek to both protect and grow our professional careers. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.